Hi guys, I hope you all are well. We at Oliveboard have come up with the series called Word of the Day, and today is day 12 of this series. So you can find the videos that have been already discussed in the playlist that has been created. Today is day 12 and I have come up with a new word for you. So in this series you get a new word every day, and apart from that you also get its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Further, I also give you a quick glance at the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So this series will be beneficial for you since it will strengthen your vocabulary, and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So let us look at today's word. Today's word is abysmal. The meaning of the word abysmal is extremely bad or appalling. So, the first sentence that says this experiment could help a lot of people or it could be an abysmal failure means that this experiment could be beneficial, it could be good, or it could be an abysmal failure, it could be an extremely bad failure. So, we have tried to understand this word in the context of a sentence. Even if you forget the meaning of the word abysmal, you can remember this sentence and the context in which it has been used. So, the second sentence says, we have an abysmal transport system, especially the public transport infrastructure. So, we have an extremely bad transport system, especially the public transport infrastructure. Now, let us look at the synonyms of this word abysmal. The synonyms are terrible, atrocious, and substandard. Now, let us look at the opposites or antonyms of this word. The antonyms can be marvelous, splendid, or excellent. Now, guys, we'll use the language Hindi in order to understand this word better. So, हम हिंदी यूज़ करेंगे और जो सेंटेंसेस हमें दिए गए थे हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके इस वर्ड को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. So, the first sentence that was given to us was, this experiment could help a lot of people or it could be an abysmal failure. So, ये experiment या तो बहुत अच्छा successful prove हो सकता है या फिर it could be an abysmal failure, मतलब कि ये बहुत बुरा और बहुत बड़ा failure prove हो सकता है. Right? So the second sentence says, we have an abysmal transport system, especially the public transport infrastructure. So हमारे यहाँ का transport system बहुत खराब है, बहुत बुरा है, especially public transport infrastructure जो है उसकी condition बहुत खराब है. So abysmal का मतलब है is terrible, atrocious, substandard और बहुत बुरा या खराब होना. The antonyms or the opposites can be marvelous, splendid or excellent. So we have tried to understand this word in both languages, English as well as Hindi. I hope you liked the video. Please like the video and subscribe to Oliveboard for more such content. Thank you.